Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Open your computer IT Matrix book. Today, in this video, we will continue our chapter number 2, Functions in Excel. In the previous video, we have discussed about cell address and the three types of cell addresses: absolute cell address, relative cell address, and mixed cell address. Now, we will start reading about calculations in Excel. How can we do calculations in Microsoft Excel? Excel uses formulas and functions to do calculations. Before learning more about formulas, you need to remember one important thing. To enter a formula in Excel sheet, the contents of the cell must begin with an equal sign or a plus sign. So this is very important, students. To enter a formula in Excel sheet, the contents of the cell must begin with an equal sign or a plus sign. You can perform various calculations using Excel, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, average, and percentage. Now, we will learn how to use these formulas. Let us understand how to use formulas with the help of an example. Enter the marks of students as shown in figure 2.2 in a new spreadsheet. Students, those have computers at their home should practice it while watching the video. Like here, you can see the figure 2.2. Make a spreadsheet like this only for class 7th. Give it a heading class 7, maximum marks. In the first column, mention roll number, then name of the student. Then in column C, mention English, maths, computer, total, average, percentage. Now, with the help of this spreadsheet, this is a simple mark sheet, we will understand the formulas, that how can we use these formulas in a spreadsheet. Now, you can simply add marks of the three subjects in the column C, D and E to calculate the total marks in column F. For this, you can type the formula is equal to 40 plus 35 plus 27 in cell 5 and press the enter key. Now look here, you can simply add any imaginary marks out of 50 in all these three subjects in English, maths and computer. Now after this, if you want to calculate total marks, like which is written over here, total marks in column F, you can type the formula directly is equal to 40 plus 35 plus 27. Total marks will be 102 after pressing the enter key. But Excel will automatically do the calculations and show 102 in cell 5. But if the teacher wants to change the marks in English from 40 to 38, then the teacher will have to re-enter the formula. So for this, you have to apply a formula in this. To avoid this and make your work easier, Excel gives you the facility to use cell address in a formula in place of the actual data in the cell. This can be done by typing the formula is equal to C5. C5 is column C and row 5. The value which is contained in C5. What is it? It is 40 marks. D5. value in D5 is, tell me students. Yes, 35. The marks of maths of Vidit Dhingra is 35. Then the column E, row number 5, E5, marks of computer of Vidit Dhingra is 27. So we will apply this formula like this only, is equal to C5 plus D5 plus E5 in cell F5 and pressing the enter key. By doing this, if you change the marks in cell 5 from 40 to 38, now this time Excel will automatically calculate the result with the change digit and the new result is shown in cell F5. It means if your teacher changes your marks from 40 to 38, she don't need to re-enter the formula. It will automatically change. By using any of the following methods, you can enter a formula in a cell. Now, let's discuss the first method. You can use the mouse and keyboard to enter the formula in a cell with the help of mouse as well as keyboard. First step is type is equal to sign in cell F5. Students, do it with me. While watching this video, try these steps in your computers. Type is equal to in cell F5 where you have to calculate the total marks. Then second step is to click on cell C5. Cell C5 where English marks of Vidit Dhingra is written, 40 marks. Then press plus sign. In the keyboard you can see a symbol, a key having plus symbol. Press that button. Then fourth step is to click on cell D5. D5 is containing the 35 marks of Vidit Dhingra in maths. Click on 35. Then again press plus symbol, plus key from your keyboard. Then click on cell E5, that is computer marks of Vidit Dhingra 27, and then press the enter key. Then you will get the formula applied of addition and you will get total 102 marks. Now there is one more method. You can also insert the formula in a cell with the help of the keyboard. Only like for this, you have to firstly type is equal to in cell F5. Then use the left arrow key. You have 4 arrow keys in your keyboards. Use the left arrow key to move to cell C5 where English marks are written, 40 marks. Click on that and then press plus key from your keyboard. Then use the left arrow key to move to the cell D5. Press your key here and then press plus sign. Then again use the left arrow key to move to the cell E5 and then press the enter key. Now by this method also you will get the same result. In addition of these 3 marks, you will get 102 marks.